Hi, I'm Fletcher, and welcome back to the Stackhouse. Today we're looking at a great one-bedroom apartment, 752, which happens to be on our top floor. Let's go in and check it out. Here we are in the kitchen of 752. This is a great one-bedroom apartment, and as you can see, we've got the kitchen right behind us. All modern stainless steel appliances and a nice rolling countertop, which means you can move this around or even put it against the wall for a little bit of extra space. Here we are inside the living room. One of the things that I love the most about this apartment is the fact that it has a balcony. When you're on the 7th floor, it's really nice to be able to step out and actually get a full look at those views. Let's check it out. Now I'm standing inside the bedroom. One of the great things about this particular unit is this walk-in closet. I mean, look at this. This thing is absolutely huge. You could fit a ton of stuff in a space like this. This apartment's got a nice big window to let lots of light into the bedroom. We've got a full modern bathroom, a shower, bathtub, and of course, plenty of cabinet space. This has been a Stackhouse Apartments production.